AIRTuB is a Dutch research project which aims to optimize the performance of offshore wind turbines. The focus is on automatic inspection and repair of eroded turbine blades by drones. Calculations are made in AIRTuB to determine the optimal cost-efficiency strategy concerning repair of eroded blades. To support these calculations, the effect of erosion on the turbine blade efficiency should be put to the test. This is done through wind tunnel experiments in the DNW low-speed wind tunnel. Royal NLR manufactured the two-dimensional model to simulate a turbine blade tip segment. For the first time, a lightweight, low-cost polyurethane material is used for better operative flexibility. The erosion was simulated by applying different levels of roughness to the model. This way, AIRTuB is able to measure how the blade efficiency changes with increasing erosion. Interesting findings were made. After a certain level of erosion, the blade efficiency no longer changes. The cost-efficient repair threshold is expected before this point is reached. After an inspection drone has measured erosion levels beyond the threshold erosion from the efficiency strategy, a maintenance crawler should be sent for repair.